Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Dr. Nandipha Magudumana and her lover Thabo Bester appeared in court yesterday, you guys, and people were so shocked at seeing Dr. Nandipha Magudumana because she looked like a complete different person from the Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, which we saw and knew from social media, and of course during her old court appearances. People were saying that now she is completely different, while Thabo Bester still looks young, and they were saying that Thabo Bester looks very, very hard and unfortunately, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana had lost a lot of weight and they basically came for everything. Social media people called Dr. Nandipha Magudumana all sorts of names. They noticed her hairstyle was no longer as glamorous as it used to be, and of course, the amount of weight that she had lost. And they basically came for everything from her face, saying that she is a complete person, looks like she has aged quite a lot from the makeup that she was wearing. They were saying that that lipstick that she is wearing definitely is not, those expensive makeup that she used to wear during her court appearances. You guys, people were saying that Dr. Magudumana basically threw everything away because of this man, Thabo Bester, you guys. And I must say that a lot of ladies came into the comment section saying that, Thabo Bester, though he is a hardened criminal, they would still go out and date with him to a point where there was actually like a petition, not a petition, there were like comments there on Twitter where people felt sorry for Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, saying that isn't there a way that maybe she could be pardoned because she is a mother and a doctor who risked it all for a man. And the whole shocker to this whole saga was when Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's father, Uzolile Sikelani, stepped into the docket to tell the court that he doesn't have any legal representative because he applied for legal aid and he was unfortunately rejected. And that's when people started saying that, money is definitely running out. They're saying that soon Thabo Bester is not going to be able to afford to pay for Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's legal fees, and she too will have to seek legal aid because it seems like it is where it is headed. They were saying that judging by Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's makeup and hair, the money is definitely running dry. One wrong move can cost you everything. 2.3 million rands in legal fees. Motherly instant gone. A medical qualifications void. Beauty wasted. Law-abiding citizen lost. Meeting the wrong man can easily ruin your life, someone said. Thabo Bester didn't just fake death, he ruined Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's whole life. Look at the glow up turned glow down. Sis has aged fast. Prison will humble even the baddest Betty, not for the faint-hearted. Shame. Before you feel sorry for her, just remember that she was running around mortuaries collecting dead bodies and dumping them in rivers. Someone said, what a sad story this has been. You can tell it's taking a toll on her. Reality is finally kicking in. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below.